I will show you in this video how you can access the online store settings on your Hostinger website builder. So what you're gonna have to do here is just to click on manage here, and then here we just need to go to, so let's go to websites here, and then here let's click on which one of the websites. Okay, this one I need, so edit website. Okay, now we entering just the Hostinger website builder. And now from here, so I can access to store settings, we're gonna have to click on here, online store, this icon, and then here we have manage and store settings or manage store. I'm gonna click on store settings. Please click on online on store settings if you want to enter in the settings for your store. And then here we have the settings. Okay, we have the store name. We have the currency. We can also click on company information. We can click on here, add a company name and also a logo, phone number, address, shipping. Here you can create a new zone from here. Let's say I like only Italy to name, and then you add the country, and no country is already used to another language. Yeah, because I'm using, so I'm already using all the countries, but you can edit this one here or add more. Okay, so all, okay, every country I can select only here, only one country, let's say, and then you can create for Italy. Just as an example, I can find Italy here. Okay, or you just add all the countries. It's really up to you, depends on what you want to do. Shipping options, you can add some shipping options. Checkout and email text, and this is basically settings, right? If you want to change your payment, you can click on payments here and you can set up a Stripe payment or the local go. Also, you can set up a manual payment. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.